Hello guys, this is Abhijit here. Welcome back to ID Solution channel. So guys, in this video I will be telling you how you can connect your PC or laptop with your smartphone and take the full control of your PC to your smartphone. Your smartphone guys may be of any OS. It may be Windows, it may be Android, or it may be iOS. It will work smoothly. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get into our computer screen. First of all guys, let's go to the Microsoft Store, then go for the search option and search Splashtop. Here we go. Then download and install it. Then after that launch. Press no. I had already signed up, so I am logging now. Enter the Gmail ID and password. And go to login. Okay. Here a dialog box opens and tells us to install the Splashtop streamer. So we will go for the Google and search for Splashtop streamer. Here we go. Now go to the official site. Here you can see guys, you can use this application for personal use, business use, classroom use and enterprises use. Here we will download the personal streamer. Then we will click here. Then our download will start. After downloading it, then we will go for the download page and install the streamer. Here we go. Install it. Okay. Then open the streamer and enter your same email ID and password. Then login. Wait for a few minutes. Here. Now close the streamer and you are ready to go to stream your laptop. You can see Splashtop streamer is ready. Then go to your smartphone and go to the Play Store and search for Splashtop. Then install it. After the installation, open it. Here click on I had already an account. Then enter your same email ID and password. Then login. You can see, tap on Windows. Here you can, my computer name is Abhijit. Tap on Windows and here we go. See, we got all the controls. Here you can see our computer is connected with the smartphone and it enables us to control the PC in a very proper manner. Guys, if you like this video then like it. If you are new to my channel then subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notifications, and let's meet in a next video. Bye bye.